Hello guys, welcome back in my channel. Okay, this is right. So many water turn in to earth. Then I cannot to go campus because this right. Yeah. And there's my motorcycle. Okay. I also cannot to apa laundry my wear. Okay. So I think hour or 2 hours the line will end. Okay. For this night and after we eat some tempeh from dinner lunch and with gorengan with fried we will start from Tadesi and the last project. So the last project is the volleyball and 25 and I will be finish it and I hope your support and your dua for the last project because this is for I think in level at this game very hard or expert. Okay, for this next let's finish this video and thank you for your attention and last again I hope your dua and your support for my last project because I hope this project will be success because this project attention for I finish or no in PDF. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to subscribe and comment in this video.